Hello, Julie Lewin here, celebrating my birthday and 30 years in metaphysics. The tip today that I wanted to share with you was about the gallbladder. And I feel like I know the gallbladder intimately, as I was very ill with it when I was 30 and ended up having it out. And if I'd known this remedy, maybe I would have done this remedy at that time. One of my clients actually found this remedy online and shared it with me so that I was able to share it with all of my clients. It's very good for smaller gallstones. If you have a massive big gallstone like that, I'm not sure that it will work for that. But if you've got smaller gallstones, certainly give it a go. It is cold pressed extra virgin olive oil, and I highly recommend you use organic, and lemon juice, fresh lemon juice in equal quantities, and you take a dessert spoon 4 times a day. And I would recommend that you take it with food, and it just tastes like salad dressing. And what that's going to do is work on those gallstones and soften them, and ultimately you will pass them between the 14 and 21 day mark. Now, if you do this remedy and you have any problems, then stop it. Don't keep persisting if it's causing you any problems. The people that have used this have used it successfully. They've passed gallstones, and I'd love for you to let us know if it's worked for you, and see you on the other side.